Student, today we will discuss calorific value. Calorific value can be expressed in joule per gram, kilojoule per gram, or kilojoule per kg, or calorie per kg, or calorie per gram. Okay, here joule per gram, calorie per gram, kilojoule per gram, and kilojoule per kg, calorie per kg, or kilocalorie per kg also can be there. See how many different type of this kilocalorie per kg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 types of we can express to calorific value. What is it? Calorific value of a fuel can be defined as the amount of heat produced by the complete combustion of 1 unit of any fuel. See, per gram, per gram, per gram, per kg, per kg, per kg. Okay, per gram, per unit we are watching. Okay, and heat energy can be expressed in joule, calorie, kilojoule, or kilocalorie. Accordingly, we will write down the unit of calorific value. We know that we are saying the 1 gram fuel completely burns, then heat energy, if it is in joule, so we will write down calorific value is equal to joule per gram or J per gram. Okay, now when 1 kg fuel is completely burned and then heat liberated is in kilojoule we are measuring, at that time calorific value is equal to kilojoule per kg, or sometimes kg, it's okay. Now unit of calorific value of some fuel I have written here: diesel, methane, CNG, compressed natural gas, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, biogas, hydrogen gas. See, 45,000 kilojoule per kg, 50,000, 50,000, 55,000. This is 35,000 to 40,000 kg kilojoule per kg. Everywhere kilojoule per kg because energy is measured in kilojoule. Okay, hydrogen gas is having 150,000 kilojoule per kg. So highest calorific value, which is having highest calorific value? Hydrogen gas. Which is having less calorific value in this? Biogas is having least calorific value. Clear to you? So we will see why methane and CNG are having equal calorific value, because compressed natural gas is mainly contains methane gas. Okay, that is why they are having same calorific value. Clear to you? So what is calorific value? It is amount of heat generated by burning of 1 unit, where it can be 1 gram, it can be 1 kg. 1 unit fuel completely burns. That amount of heat energy decides the calorific value of the given fuel. More will be energy released per unit mass, so